Digital twins are the brains of modern manufacturing. But even the smartest brains have their limits. Classical digital twins are hitting a computational wall, unable to solve the massive, complex problems of a real-world factory in real time. But what if we could break through that wall? Welcome to another Augmented Qubit Educational Series video. I'm your host, Glenn Munro. In this video, we're covering how quantum-enhanced digital twins are set to revolutionize manufacturing by solving impossible problems today. We'll explore how they are creating self-optimizing production lines, predicting failures before they happen, and inventing new materials inside a computer. First, dynamic optimization. Problems like factory scheduling and supply chain logistics are mathematically impossible for classical computers to solve perfectly. They settle for good enough. A quantum digital twin doesn't settle. Airbus used quantum algorithms to solve the complex bin packing problem, improving loading efficiency by 15%. And in pilot programs, Volkswagen used quantum annealing to cut logistics costs by approximately 7%. Next, precognitive maintenance. Today's systems predict failures based on past data. A QDT sees the future. By using quantum sensors, up to 100 times more sensitive than classical ones, a QDT can detect the tiny atomic-level stresses that signal a future failure weeks in advance. This isn't just predictive, it's precognitive, with studies projecting it could cut equipment downtime by up to 50%. Finally, the virtual laboratory. Developing new materials is slow and expensive. A QDT changes the game completely. Quantum computers can accurately simulate how materials behave at the quantum level. This allows engineers to design, build, and test entirely new materials from stronger alloys to more efficient batteries, all inside a virtual environment, slashing R&D cycles by up to 50%. This isn't about replacing your current systems, it's about augmenting them. A quantum digital twin acts as a specialized coprocessor for your factory's most difficult computational jobs. It's a hybrid approach, where quantum muscle is applied precisely where it's needed most, making the entire system smarter, faster, and more efficient. The impact is real. 27% of business leaders planning to adopt quantum expect an ROI of over $5 million in the first year alone. With companies like Google targeting error-corrected quantum computers by 2029, this isn't science fiction. It's the next industrial revolution, and it's happening right now.